Students, all of you take down your maths classroom note again and write the second page. Take the second page and write time. And you should draw one time picture, clock picture. Okay, and you should draw correct 12 directly 6, 9 directly 3. Okay, in the direct up to 8, straight up to 3 7. So likewise you should draw. And this is long hand means minute hand, and this is short hand means hour hand, and this is running always running hand, that is second hand. And already we studied the short hand is called the hour hand and the long hand is called the minute hand. And you should draw very neatly, students, and write also very neatly. And the second Roman letter, reading time. Now we are going to how to read the time. And this is the clock picture, and they given the sum. This is the sum. Okay, and where is the shorthand? First of all, you should start from the short, and always we start from the shorthand. No, short, and after that long, isn't it? So likewise, you should see the shorthand first. See the first of all, see the shorthand. And where is the shorthand? Yes, it is in the at 7, and the long hand 12. So 12 means you should write directly, that is o'clock. So shorthand, where is the shorthand? 7. So 7 o'clock. Okay, the shorthand is at 7 and the long hand is at 12. So the time is 7 o'clock. Okay, students. And turn the next page. You should draw in each page one diagram only. Okay. Draw a very big clock. And the second one, and this is the question. Okay, you have to read the time. What time is it? And the shorthand, first of all, we should see the shorthand. The shorthand is between 2 and 3. Where is the shorthand? It is between 2 and 3. Not is 3 and 2. First of all, 2 and 3. Isn't it? Always the ascending order. 1, 2, 3. So you should see the say the 2 and 3. And see, and you should see the first number 2 and 3. In the 2 and 3, which is the first number? 2. And you should write the 2. Okay, the shorthand is between 2 and 3. So you should say, you should take 2 only. The long hand is at 6. And 6 means 6 into 5. Because each number has 5 minutes. No? So we should multiply into 5. Okay. Long hand has it say at 6. You should multiply with 5. And 6 into 5 means 30. So already we got the 2, and the second we found the 30. So you should write the shorthand first of all 2, and after that you should write the longhand timer, that is 30. In the 2:30, so the time is, this time is 2:30, and another name for 2:30 is half past 2. Half past, half, and this is half means, so 6, this is half, this is half, so half, so half past 2, half past 2. Okay, students, have you understood? 2:30 means another we should call half past 2. Okay, and this is your assignment, just only 2 diagrams, and in the here 1 and also the 3 diagrams. And this is your assignment work. Write, draw, write very neatly. Okay, students. In the first Roman letter and the time. In the second Roman letter, 1, 2. Students, all of you take down your maths book and turn the page number 131. We didn't finish in the money page, at the last page, that is and take a note of rupees 100 from your father. Look at this note carefully and answer the following questions. Okay, students, and you have to get from the 100 rupees note from your father. Okay, and whose photos do you see on this note? Whose photo? Yes, this is Mahatma Gandhi, isn't it? And you should write in that space, write the spelling of Mahatma Gandhi. I'm written here. You should see the spelling of this name and write in here space, in this space. Okay. And the second question, what is written below this photo? So, below this photo, Mahatma Gandhi, his name only written, isn't it? And you should write the second one, his name. And the third one, and whose signature is there on the note? And whose signature? Yes, this is signature of governor, isn't it? So you should write the governor. The third one, governor. Governor, governor. And the fourth question, do all the notes have numbers? Yes, all the each note has number. So all the notes have number, no? So you should write yes. Okay. And what is the promise written on some of the notes? And here one promise of word is there. That is here, all of you see carefully. So you should peep it carefully. And I promise to the say barrier of the sum of 100 rupees. Okay. And likewise you should write here. I am written here. You should see and write in that space. And how many languages are written on this note? All of you turn this note. And here many languages are there. You should count and say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 languages. Okay, students? Here this is the answers. You see and write in that page of 131. Mahatma Gandhi, his name, governor, yes. And this is one promise of a sentence, 15 languages. Okay. After finish this one, you should return this 100 rupees to your father. No, don't keep it yourself. And you should return to your father. Okay. And check down here, page number 132. And here also again the money sums are having. And amount in figures, amount in words. 15 rupees and 50 pies. You should write in the figures. That means 15 rupees means you should write symbol first of all 15 dot 50 pies. Okay, students, and here 70 pies, 75 pies. Okay, and you should finish in your own way, in a correct method also. And the second one, suppose you have 10 rupees for each of the following items. How much does the shopkeeper return to each carrier? And you have 10 rupees means you should, when you go to the shop to buy the 5 rupees 50 pies book. And how much money will give the shopkeeper? Yes, 450. You should minus from the 10 from 550. Sorry, from 550 from 10. And the second also you should 750 from 10. Subtract. You should 8 from 10. You should 6.550 from 10. You should subtract these sums. Okay. And the next one, third one. You went shopping with your mother. She gave you 50 rupees. You bought a small diary for 27 rupees, an ice cream for 13 rupees 50 pies, and a pencil for 5 rupees 40 pies. Fill in the blanks in the bill given along a sign. This is the bill. And you should write the small diary rate, ice cream rate, pencil rate, total rate. So you should do add. First of all, add this all the cost. After that, and what they given from your mother? Yes, what she given. So money given is 50 rupees. You spent, that is for and already you got an answer. From that answer you should minus from the already they given your mommy, that is 50 rupees. So do the minus. Okay, and this page also you should finish down, and you should finish today's assignment work. You should finish page number 131 and 132 and your class work note. Okay students. Okay, thank you for watching.